Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clone yourself in a video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already created a project in CapCut. And first of all, I'm going to duplicate this video. I'm going to select copy and I'm going to paste it. Okay, and then we're going to remove the background of this video guys. So we can go to the remove background and you can choose auto removal, custom removal, or chroma key. And if you have CapCut Pro, I recommend you to use auto removal so the background will be removed automatically. But if you don't have CapCut Pro, you can choose the custom removal. And here I'm going to select the auto removal. And wait, it's still processing. Okay, done guys. And then I'm going to move the position. And okay, done. As you can see that this man has been cloned. Okay, and that's so simple. You just need to remove the background of your video and then move the position. And you will create this clone effect for your video. Okay guys, and that's how you can clone yourself in a video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!